Sometimes you can make your life a lot easier if you're observant and lazy enough to use that observation to your advantage. What I'm getting at is, I worked out that our microwave does a lap every 12 seconds. So now everything goes in for multiples of 12 seconds to save me having to reach all the way to the back of the microwave. So if you work out how many seconds it takes for your microwave to do one rotation of the plate, put everything in for multiples of that number of seconds, and it saves you having to reach all the way to the back of the microwave. Oh, because that's such a chore, isn't it? So that's how you can use observant laziness to your advantage.